Welcome to our second session on 9-day breathwork transformation for energy, health, and your vitality. Today, we're diving into breathing techniques designed to rapidly boost your stamina. Not only you'll increase your energy levels, but also overall endurance, so you can expect to feel more vitalized and ready to tackle your day with a newfound strength. Please stick around until the whole duration of these breathing techniques to receive the full benefits. During these 9 breathing sessions, we'll take you step by step into advanced breathing that build on each other. So let's begin. In the second session, we introduce breath holds. So again, we'll start with the breath of fire, Kapalbhati Pranayama, to bring your fire element up, bring the energy up, and then we end with Bhramari Pranayama to distribute this energy throughout your whole body. And remember, only if you were able to perform the first session comfortably, you move on to the second session. So without any further ado, let's begin. So find a comfortable seated position, cross-legged. If cross-legged is not an option, you can come to sit on your couch. And we begin by straightening our spine, chin parallel. We're going to do 3 rounds of breath of fire. In the first round, we're going to hold for 15 seconds, second round, 30 seconds, and the third round, 45 seconds. And all these breath holds are on the exhale. So we'll begin. Take a deep breath in. Exhale fully as you lean back. Inhale halfway. And exhale, exhale. And more, continue going. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out for 15 seconds. Pull the diaphragm up. And now, revitalizing breath. Inhale fully. Hold the breath 15 seconds. Allow the body to energize fully. Amazing job. Allow the breath to come in and out normally. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Amazing job. Now we get into the second set. Now we hold the breath out for 30 seconds. So let's begin. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway. And exhale, exhale. Thirty more times, continue. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out for 30 seconds. Pull the diaphragm up. Inhale. Energize your body. Hold for 15 seconds. Amazing job, my friends. Allow the breath to come in and out normally. Sit and watch yourself for 30 seconds. Beautiful job, my friends. Now we get into the third round. Third round, we go a tiny bit faster and we hold the breath for 45 seconds. So if you're ready, let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway. Exhale. Thirty more. Continue. Hold the breath out 45 seconds. "15 seconds, hold the breath in, allow your body to revitalize. Amazing job, my friends. Now you sit and watch your body for 15 to 30 seconds. Great job, my friends. Now you're starting to build your stamina on the breath of fire, especially when you're holding the breath out. Remember, holding the breath out is a little more difficult than holding the breath in because our body is not used to with the lack of oxygen. But we'll end this session with Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath, to distribute all this energy we have cultivated into all the parts of the body. So for that, let's come into the mudra. Thumb pushes the protruding part. 2 fingers covers your eyes. 3rd finger covers the bridge of the nose. And we cover the mouth with the pinky finger. Taking a big breath in. and come to sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Beautiful job, my friends, and congratulations. This was our second session on the 9-day breathwork transformation for your energy, vitality, and health. If you've gone through the second session with holding your breath for 45 seconds comfortably, then you can proceed to our third session. Only when you're comfortable with the second session, you move on to the third session. In the third session, we introduce the breath holds with locks. If you like to check out the playlist, check it out here. And if you're ready to elevate your practice, join our advanced masterclass available on our website, where we begin with the customized daily routine and go deeper into your breathwork sessions. Follow the link in the description below to sign up. Please don't forget to download your tracking journal for your progress. And if you got a little value from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga and meditation into their life. Until next time, my name is Abhi Dugal. Namaste, peace and love.